Welcome back again to your Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales, and powering the technology by Arvest is Katie Shea Schneider. You can't see her, but I promise you she's working hard. And we are here today at Women's Wellness Inc. And you know, we had the open house the other day and it was a good success.
Yeah,
but then we had some technological difficulties and we didn't have any sound for the video. So we're here shooting again so that you can have sound, so that you can understand all the services and products that Women's Wellness Inc. is offering. And they're located right here on Bradford Square, right off of Highway 5, next door to Casey's here in Mountain Home. And I'm with nurse practitioner Laura May. And Laura, fire away and tell us about your services you offer.
Yeah, so we offer primary care and gynecology services. We see females as young as age 5, and we're really just here to help the community with any needs that they may have. We treat high blood pressure, high cholesterol, hypothyroidism. We do a lot of wellness exams, pap smears. We order mammograms, things like that.
Okay, so, and I noticed the sign back here. It says you do Botox too?
Yeah. So we do Botox and fillers. We offer some IV vitamin therapy. We do different injections depending on the patient's needs.
Great. Well, we've been looking at all the Google reviews and other Facebook reviews on social media and on the internet, and you've been getting great reviews. And what's that all about?
Yeah, so our patients love us. I would say look at the reviews for yourself. They kind of will give you a clue as to how we kind of function here. We have an amazing staff. We really couldn't do our jobs without them. So, they're kind of the backbone to our clinic. And your office visit will start off with a friendly hi, hello from our front desk girls, and our nurses kind of take it from there.
All right, great. So, well, speaking of great staff, who do you have next door to you?
This is Amanda. She's another nurse practitioner here. I'll let her kind of give you guys some more information about the clinic.
Yes, so I'm Amanda Whitaker, nurse practitioner. We do have extended hours on Wednesdays and Thursdays each week. That we're open till 7, and then Monday through Thursday each week we're open from 8 to 4:30. So.
All right, great. So how can they find you on social media, phone number, all that good stuff?
Yep, on social media we have a Facebook and an Instagram, and then also our website. Our phone number is 870-232-0900.
All right, great, ladies. Well, thanks for doing the reshoot today. It's been a pleasure coming back, as always. And guys, if you need the services from Women's Wellness Inc., the reviews speak for themselves. Just come down and they will take care of you here, again, on Bradford Square. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you soon. Have a great one.